realize that everything has changed when the things you once loved no longer holds your interest.
Every mountain, every sea can never stray a bird in me, no matter the state of space and time.
When the world stopped sewing my dreams, the pandemic took away the moments I had worked so hard for. Opportunities missed, time lost, but my spirit never fades away. Now that the world is back, I am working twice as much as I can so I could catch up. I am determined to reclaim the time that I have lost.
This close and keep this dear, not just today, but every year. You were made to be a focus in my mind.
So, in the new normal, public transportation has changed in order to ensure our safety. Buses, jeepneys, and trains now operate at a reduced capacity. Quezon City is moving forward with its free bus services for its residents. So after the pandemic, these buses provide safe, free, and convenient transportation for its residents so that it could help them to get home or to get where they need to be.
You don't want my love, and if you want something more.
So, in the new normal, there are lots of adjustments, especially in the malls here in the Philippines. So, right now, I'm here in SM North, and there are still, you can see that there are still lots of people who wears masks as they get used to it.
Said if you never wanna know.
As a student that is adapting to the new normal, we'd have to make lots of changes, particularly in the ways that the school delivers our learning materials. So right now, we've had to use the Google Classroom, which is this, to submit our assignments and be updated regarding our subjects.